Ever wondered how to best care for the striking Adenium arabicum? Often known as the desert rose, this plant is a marvel of nature, a real showstopper with its bulbous trunk, glossy leaves, and vibrant flowers. The first step in caring for Adenium arabicum is understanding its natural habitat. Native to the arid regions of Arabia and Africa, it's a plant that thrives in hot, dry conditions. To replicate this environment, make sure your Adenium arabicum is placed in a location that receives plenty of light. A sunny window ledge is a prime spot. Now, onto watering. The golden rule here is less is more. Overwatering is a common mistake. These plants have adapted to survive in drought-like conditions, so they don't need much water. During the summer months, water your Adenium arabicum once a week. In winter, reduce this to once a month. Next, let's talk about soil. Adenium arabicum prefers well-drained, gritty soil. You can create the perfect mix by combining 3 parts perlite, 3 parts coarse sand, and 1 part peat moss. This will ensure excess water drains away quickly, preventing root rot. Feeding is another crucial aspect of Adenium arabicum care. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season, typically from spring to fall. A fertilizer high in phosphorus will help promote blooming. Pruning is a way to shape your Adenium arabicum and encourage more branching. It's best to do this in early spring before the growing season begins. Be sure to use a clean, sharp tool to make precise cuts. Temperature is also an important factor. Adenium arabicum can tolerate high temperatures, but is sensitive to the cold. If temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it's best to bring your plant indoors. Finally, let's cover propagation. Adenium arabicum can be propagated from seed or cuttings. Both methods require patience, but the reward of seeing new growth is well worth the wait. To recap, the key to caring for Adenium arabicum is understanding its natural habitat and replicating those conditions. Provide plenty of light, water sparingly, use well-drained soil, feed regularly during the growing season, prune in early spring, protect from cold temperatures, and propagate with patience. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to caring for the remarkable Adenium arabicum. With the right care, this desert beauty will reward you with its stunning display year after year. Remember, good things take time, and plant care is no exception. Happy gardening.